Disputing a Capital One transaction is a relatively straightforward process, and today I'll guide you through it. To begin, open the Capital One application or visit their website. Navigate to the Transactions page, where you'll find a list of all your transactions. Locate the specific transaction you wish to dispute. Once you've found the transaction, open its details. Look for the option to report an issue and click or tap on it. Here, you'll have the opportunity to describe the reason for the dispute. After providing the necessary information, your dispute will be activated and Capital One will begin reviewing your case. Depending on the circumstances, you may receive a refund within a few days. It's important to note that you cannot dispute a pending transaction. Wait until the transaction is completed before initiating a dispute. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily dispute a transaction with Capital One. I hope you find this tutorial helpful.